Hi, my name is Jessica Delfino. I'm a musician in New York City. I also teach guitar and ukulele. You can see more information about that at urocknyc.com. That's YOUROCK-NYC.com. Today we're going to learn how to play two notes and skip a string on the guitar. That's something you can do on any chord, so we're going to do this in the G chord. Now it's important that you know the names of the strings for this exercise, which are E, A, D, G, B, E, and I remember them as elephants and dogs grow big ears. Okay, so we're going to take our ring and pinky, put them on the guitar. We're going to take our thumb and we're going to go to the D string, which is the third string down. We're going to push with the thumb, take the pointer, pull up on the next string with the pointer, and then we're going to take our next string, the third finger, middle finger, skip a string and go to the high E string at the bottom and pull up again. So we're playing one note, we're playing two notes, we're skipping a string and playing the third note, and it's going to sound something like this. And then you can go through different chords like this as well. You could go to your C chord and just push with your thumb, pull with your pointer, skip a string, and pull with your middle. And any chord that you can play, you can do this, and it has a really nice sound. Here it is with the D chord, and back to your G. So I have taught you how to play two notes and skip a string, and thank you for watching. Bye.